guys, Brandon with WhiskeyRiverTrading.com. I'm here to talk to you about our Sport Utility Saddle Axe. This is made out of 1060 steel. Our premium version comes in 5160. This is the budget-friendly option. Comes on a 16-inch handle. Makes a great tool for using with a splitting stump. You can use that next to your fireplace inside your house or at camp. It keeps you safe, and if you've got kids or people who aren't as comfortable with an axe, this is a great way to split up kindling and keep it safer. So check this out. So any hammer works, and this just keeps your hands away from that blade, and it keeps you from having to swing that around. So check this out, $65, WhiskeyRiverTrading.com. Have a good day.